welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome. So today is a very exciting video because we are reviewing the new Jackie Aina palette times Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is super exciting because just look at it. Like, you have snakeskin monochrome, never before seen like this. Okay, and then you just look in the inside. It does come with 14 shades and a brush, and it is the classic Anastasia Beverly Hills style, but they ain't never done no palette like this. Okay, and this palette is for the brown skin girls. Jackie felt like, hey, like, we need some shades too. Okay, so she brought it for us, and I created this beautiful look with this palette. And I'm not gonna bore you with swatches because I know you guys seen a whole bunch of swatches already, and yeah, I will be going back into this palette. This is a palette I see me reaching for. At first I did not want it. Like, at first, okay, I wanted to support Jackie, but I was just like, oh, the colors are nice, but whatever. And then I seen the swatches. The swatches did it, okay? The swatches were pigmented, nice, all the above, and I was like, all right. So I went to Ulta, picked it up at Ulta. But yeah, I love how the colors blended out. Everything looks so good, and I'm feeling myself. Shout outs to Jackie. Shout outs on her engagement. Shout outs to her living her best life, honey, okay? That's what it's all about. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let's jump right into the video. You have some shimmers, you have pink and purples, you have like an iridescent, you have a gold, you have the browns for our brown skin girls, and you have this green right here will be pretty in this purple. I'm gonna first take my Makeup Revolution concealer in C13, and I'm going to prime the eyes. And I'm just gonna take my Morphe 330 to buff this in. Yeah, I know I love my neutrals, so I don't know, let's see. But I love my neutrals, like, and I think I'm loving Zamn. Like, wow, that is a pretty shade, so I might have to use that. And today is an exciting day because I got proposed to on this day, and I'm like, why not bring out the Jackie Aina palette for this day, okay? Now I'm gonna go on my M433 brush. What color am I thinking? I don't know. You know what? I was gonna do a neutral, but let me stop being boring. I take pinker. Alright, so I'm just going to pop this in the crease. Oh, this is coming up brighter than I thought. I thought it would be more like a mauve shade, but it's coming up brighter. Wow, this is cute though. And that blended amazing. I think I took, alright. On this eye, I started taking pinker, which was the shade that I wanted to use in the beginning. And right here, you can tell this is where I'm realizing
wait,
that,
did I take
and
the wrong
it's
shade?
okay because I
so
did
this
blend
is
out
blending
pinker
out
and
perfect.
supreme in my
I'm just
crease,
pressing it
so it all
into my
turned out
crease.
to be okay at the end.
Pigment is amazing. I'm gonna take my M506, and I'm gonna go in with Supreme. And I'm gonna blend out the edges with this. Then I'm gonna take my E27 and just go over those edges. I'm gonna take ginger, like tap it in there, not crazy, to blend out these edges. Then I'm gonna go back in with my M506. I'm just gonna take pinker again and just actually press that into my outer V. I'm gonna blend this out again with my M433. So I'm not gonna cut the crease because I kind of want that purple to flow in with this other shade. So I'm just going to take Zamn. A lot of fallout, but that's okay. Let's see how this is about to look. Definitely spraying it with my setting spray. Let's see. Ooh, yes. I didn't want to cut the crease because I could tell that this Zamn shade would be a nice, like, the purples would just blend in really nice with that Zamn. I really didn't want to go for a purple look today, but it came up more purple than I wanted it to. I'll go back in with my M433. To blend out everything once again. I'm gonna take Trust Issues. I don't know, I just feel like taking this right now. And pop that right in the center. Ooh, that's really pretty mixed. Wow, that Zamn shade is like everywhere on me. Now I'm gonna take Pinker and put that on my lash line. Blend it up into the crease. Now I'm gonna put mascara on and put some highlighter on my brow bone, and I'll be right back. So we are back, and I did have some fallout. I had to take it off with a makeup wipe because that glitter was very powerful, but it wasn't a bad thing. And yeah, so I just want a soft, a nice look with a little bit of color, and yeah, I'm digging that. It looks really good. And now I'm going to take my Milk Primer. Now I'm going to take my Melaniemills Rose Gold. I'm going to take some on the side of my Beauty Blender to buff that in to give me a nice glow. Now I'm going to mix my two foundations, Lancome Suede 460W and Maybelline in 355 Coconut. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn, and I don't bring it all the way because I have a round face. I'm going to take my Nars Concealer in Caramel. I'm going to let that sit there for a little bit. I'm going to take my Black Radiance Contour Stick in 8003 with my dual fiber brush. And I'm going to take my Real Technique setting brush. I'm just blending out those edges. And then chin. Take my Real Technique sponge for my nose. And for underneath the eye. And I like to give myself a spray. I just feel like it helps to blend out this concealer. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm going to set my mouth area. Alright, to set my whole face, I'm going to take my Sephora Micro Smooth, of course. Just gonna go over the areas. I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Then for my under eye, I'm going to take Pinker again. And this Wet n Wild flat shadow brush. Y'all know I don't really wear eyeliner, but I did it the other day and I'm kind of obsessed. So let me put some eyeliner on. This is the this is the Maybelline Lasting Drama eyeliner. Just makes me look more snatched, okay? I think I want to put something in the inner corner of my eye. I think I'm gonna go with Soleil. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna take Soleil and I'm just gonna blend it. I'm taking my M506, I believe, yeah. And I'm gonna blend it up into the rest of the shadow. Yeah, that just brained it up a little bit and set it off. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna set the rest of my face. I love doing this now and then putting blush on. I feel like when I just do my face and then put the blush on, I don't know, something happens there and I just like it. Now I'm going to take my Melaniemills blush in Tea Rose. I'm going to take my tapered highlighter brush. Don't know why this is a highlighter brush. It's way too big. And I'm going to just put blush. Wow, you see now I was about to do it like I was contouring. I'm going to put some blush on. Yeah, no, I don't like blush, but I've been doing more blush than usual. Like, I don't know what's going on. All these changes I've been doing. And then I'm just going to take the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush to push all of that in. So it doesn't look like it's just sitting on my face. Then I'm going in with my Colourpop highlighter. Now I'm going to take my brown liner. Now I'm going to take this Tarte lip paint and birthday suit. Now I'm going to go in with this Morphe gloss. This is in the shade Boho.